Okay, screw is done, and next this phone is open, not opening item my, and I'm okay. Let's wait. Next this. Okay, okay, and Sony Xperia U4. I'm only one time front facing top test, and this phone is a fully demolished. Okay, guys, and I'm expected this phone is nothing which is I'm expected to high level positions, which is there, which is there. Back is nothing. Okay, guys, let's open now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, you see that this back am opened, and this is the camera. It's the 5 megapixel camera, and this wait. Okay, okay. Let's put it. This is the 5 megapixel of the rear camera. You see, and front. Awesome for the camera, and let's have front camera. You see the front. You see the front camera. This is the 2 megapixel the rear camera. Very nice, interesting. And okay, it's a battery. It's a battery and speaker. Sony Xperia E4 speaker and the battery and battery ejected. Okay, okay, battery is ejected, and you see the battery 2200 milliampere battery. See Sony logo and the Lipomer battery 2300 milliampere battery. See, and this is an unremovable battery this phone, and this I am removed the battery here, and wait.